In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit DNS on HostGator hosting. So it's very simple to do. First of all, obviously you need to get yourself a domain on HostGator. And if you don't have one already or you don't have hosting, then I have a link in the description that gets you 70% off your hosting and domains on here. So it's a very good offer and it also helps out the channel. So once we've gone ahead and actually grabbed our domain, it should be in our HostGator account and our dashboard to look something like this. We want to go ahead and go to the domain section. And from the domain section, we want to scroll down to where it says Advanced Tools. Now from the Advanced Tools section, we want to go to the right hand side and there's something here that says Advanced DNS Records. Now we click Manage here and it should bring up a page that looks something like this. Now once we're inside of here, we can go ahead and actually add our records. So we can click Add Record and we can add the type. So we've got A, MX, CNAME, TXT. These are the ones we probably want to edit. Now we can set at www or other host, put whatever you want. And then here we can put where it points to. And then the TTL, which we can just put a 1 minute or we can put it whatever time frame we want. We can go ahead and click add and then we've been able to add a DNS setting. Now if we want to go ahead and actually edit one, we can go on here, go to the side, go to edit. And then from here, we can actually go ahead and edit the pre-existing DNS settings. Now, it can take between 24 and 48 hours for the changes to actually come into play. So make sure you wait a little bit of time to ensure that it works. But that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.